Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel. Today is day 22 of the Carnivore Diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and 90 days vegan and track my progress. So today is day 22. And here's Jonathan. Say hi, Jonathan. He doesn't care. So I'm actually feeling really good. I can feel the progress now in the 20s, like day 20, 21, 22. I'm feeling pretty good, more and more consistent on a regular basis. Today, this morning, when I got out of bed, I didn't actually want to fall over. So that was pretty cool. It still hurt, but it's getting better. Interestingly enough, yesterday when I was scrolling YouTube, I came across Dr. Ken Berry's little talk about plantar fasciitis, because I think that's what's bugging my foot. I don't know for sure, but it sure sounds like it. And he was talking about it. And he was saying stuff like if you ate grains and sugars all your life, then you have something called glycation. And I don't know what that means, but it just sounds like the tendons and they get stiff and sore and full of inflammation. And he says, cut out all the grains and sugars and like eat the carnivore diet or keto diet, and then 30 to 90 days, it should go away. So that's awesome. So I'll do the 90 days carnivore, heal up all the inflammation in my body, and then I'll go vegan. And we'll see how that goes for me. But at least, yeah, there's sort of a name for what's going on with me, and I like that. It's something to work towards. So the last couple of days I've had bacon and eggs, and that's been feeling really, really good. And then today I made the cottage cheese flatbread again, but I made it, and this is my sandwich I was eating. So this is the cottage cheese flatbread, but I made it in a normal pan this time instead of the dehydrator. I forget what day it was that I tried making it in the dehydrator, and you don't do that. This is the way to go. It's like having a real sandwich, and the flatbread is amazing. So I have the flatbread, a piece of cold ham, and butter. Yeah, and I'm upping my fat like everybody's telling me to. I'm upping my fat, and it's helping. It's really helping, and I'm having normal bowel movements, and I'm feeling like when I go on my walks, my hips don't hurt. Like I feel loosey-goosey, and it's feeling pretty good. I haven't lost weight, but you know what? I'm not even caring about that at the moment anymore, because I'm feeling good mentally, which is huge in my world, right? I have 2 teenagers, and it's good to be good in the head when you're raising kids, you know? So I'm feeling better. I am so tempted. It's so hot right now. I'm so tempted with summer drinks. I had wine last night again, but yeah, it doesn't derail me for a day or a week or a year. It just for a couple of hours, and then I'm back on again. So I'm just being honest, right? So anyways, so things are looking up. I'm gonna have the rest of my sandwich, and then I'm gonna make another sandwich. I stocked up on Epsom salts, so I'm gonna have an Epsom salts bath and probably scroll through YouTube some more. And I don't know what Jonathan's gonna do, but that's probably it for him the rest of the day. Okay, happy day 22. Hope you all are doing great, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.